Welcome to the series seminar video of Germanische Heilkunde, by Dr. Hamer, MD. This seminar video is about the new brain-controlled, sensible biological special programs, such as connective tissue, squamous epithelium, loss of function in animals. The fact that Germanische Heilkunde is also valid for the animal, and even the plant, makes it particularly credible. How could it be otherwise? Animals have partly the same organs as we humans. The symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase are explained. Using several case studies, the various animal typical associated conflict contents, such as self-esteem collapse, separation, not being able to escape, and so on, will be made understandable. The objective is to be able to correctly interpret symptoms such as anemia, leukemia, gastric epilepsy, bone cancer, epilepsy, and hair loss. You can learn more about this in the approximately 1.5-hour seminar video.